These are Tayto Crisps, an Irish national treasure. And these are also Tayto Crisps, an Irish national treasure.
But why do they look so different?
They are actually made by two different companies.
These Tayto are sold in the south of Ireland, and these Tayto are sold in the north of Ireland.
They aren't allowed to sell Tayto in each other's territory.
We are going to compare them to see which one is better. We're going to start off with the Tayto that we grew up with. Tayto from the south of Ireland, the Republic of Ireland. It's a classic for a reason. Let's try the Northern Irish Tayto. Wait, before you try this, who the hell is that guy? That is not Mr. Tayto. Don't judge a book by its cover. These are actually quite good. It's closer than I thought it was going to be. But these just have more flavour. We're both in agreement. Southern Ireland is better.